The hand of God moves against those who jump stages and despise divine order. The enemies know exactly what they are doing. Zarabira mashkwambira nyuko pangwa ine double subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mabranka mbranjira chitim zona nasi. They are not waiting for the hand of the Almighty alone, no. They are working overtime in the corridors of power, mixing positions in hidden rooms, sending agents in the night, and plotting with the foreign hands to hasten the prophecy. They want to assassinate General Constantine Govea Dominic Nikazino Chiwenga, the one whose uncle's ancestral covenant declared, "You shall not die before you liberate this land." They poison the air he breathes. They tamper with his medicine. They send spiritual arrows and physical bullets disguised as accidents. This is not prophecy. This is prophecy abuse, a cheap trick to make murder look like divine timing. Hubert Angel has been exposed before with miracle money scandals, gold mafia links, and failed football prophecies. Now his Zimbabwe wide is the biggest fraud of all the death sentences disguised as "Thus saith the Lord." Why? So that when the general falls, they can stand on national television, wipe crocodile tears, and declare with fake humility, "It was God's plan." The prophecy of Hubert Angel has come to pass. Behold, the Lord is spoken. But the fake prophet, whom the Lord has paid in vision and in secret envelopes, expose their scheme. They twist the word of God for political gain. They accelerate death to claim divine timing. Operation Restore Legacy is not finished. The general survives by a greater covenant, the blood of the liberation struggle, and the prayers of true patriots. Let the plotters hear. Your knives shall turn against you, your poison shall return to your own house. The same angel you caught shall become a witness against your bloodlust. Zimbabwe shall not be stolen by those who manufacture God's will through assassination. Aluta continua forward to the general. The struggle against fake prophets and the real assassins continues. Tuma developments and brand new kapamba ine. Kuna comment section minutes of your email to click on subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.